Hello and welcome to my channel Online Money Logics. This is my second video on using artificial intelligence or AI for online money making. First one was on using AI for content generation, but today I will tell you 8 uses of AI for online money making. Today's video will give you an overview of different uses and insights to increase your efficiency. Once you save time and increase efficiency, you get to the point when you start making more money. Before we begin, you need to know one very important thing. AI is not the replacement of human mind or your hard work. Like other inventions or tools, it can assist you with your tasks and save you from the labor of doing some extra work. You will design the workflow, define the work processes, and keep a quality check on end product. Now let's get to the task of making money from AI. First field for using AI is content creation. Social media and all the professional fields give a lot of opportunities for usage of content. So, with so much content creation, there is tough competition for generating quality content. Consumers have unlimited choices now, and it is a big challenge to give them quality content. According to Grand View Research, in 2022 the global digital content creation market was estimated to be $25.6 billion, and its annual growth rate for the next 7 years is expected to be 13.7%. Major part of this digital content is created for videos and then for other writings like blogs, reviews, travel pieces, etc. Step 1 for content generation assistance is selection of AI tool. There are many AI tools available and they have their own strengths. So, your purpose or your required content will tell you the kind of AI support you need. For general content, you can use ChatGPT or Copy.ai to assist you. Some advantages of Copy.ai are AI workflow automation, prompt improver, and built-in templates. Catch over here is the payment for these services. You have to pay $36 per month, but for ChatGPT you only pay $20 per month. But for copywriting needs you may try RYTR, which offers assistance with content-related tasks. You can see my earlier video and see details of using RYTR. It gives you 2 amazing options of choose use case and select tone. Use case is the tab where you get several options right from blog idea or video ideas to getting outline of blogs. It gives you more than 35 options to choose from. It also gives you more than 20 options for selecting tone of your content. You can adjust the tone as funny or informative or formal or whatever you want. You can generate ideas for videos and also create storyboards. For your editing needs, try Grammarly. It can not only edit your document but will also give you suggestions. You can see what mistakes you have done and you can improve them in future. Many consumers find the free version useful, but if you have higher work needs like rewriting of sentences, then you will have to pay for the premium services. Do remember that content generation by AI heavily depends on the kind of prompts you use. Change and improve your prompt, you will get different and better responses. A lot of content is available on use of AI tools. You can watch training videos on giving prompts or can learn by doing it yourself approach. Start trying different prompts today and keep learning. It's all free and will increase your earning capacity. One last thing here would be to avoid copy-paste approach. Take help but don't copy. Use online AI detection tools to see if your content contains AI-generated content. After all, you don't want your client to point it out. Second field for using AI is web design. My second tip is for web designers, so if you are the one, then there is a lot to benefit from AI. You want to sell things or monetize content, all this can be done with the help of a professional-looking website. It will help you to reach your target market. A professional-looking website is a great way to reach more audience and customers online. Whether you want to do online advertising to increase outreach or sign up for an affiliate network, AI can assist you with all these. And your level of expertise will not matter much now because AI will do most of your job. AI-powered technologies are available in many website builders, which greatly simplifies the website creation process. You can quickly create websites for clients or build them to sell your products. You can do advertisement of your website by use of AI-powered platforms. For example, Wix, 10web, Appapy, and Hokus offer you website builder along with other services. You can try more platforms according to your budget and work requirements. Flexibility remains an issue for high customization needs, but for cost and efficiency, these platforms are a great deal. My third recommended field is creating online courses. Online education is a big market, and according to Statista.com, revenue in this market will reach $166.6 billion in 2023. Comparing globally, most revenue will be generated in the United States with a promising figure of $74,800 million. So my third tip is creating online courses, which have created quite a market after COVID days. Making online courses is a great way to earn money in addition to establishing your authority in your area. You can enhance how you offer and sell your lectures to draw in more students with the aid of AI software. You can begin the market research step by using AI technologies. For example, if you want to create a coding course, consider using ChatGPT to learn about the best programming languages to help narrow your target audience. You can search the market of similar courses and see what is popular there. But important thing is that you will have to define your unique selling point. With so many courses out there, what is so unique about your course? Think about it and come up with something special about your course. Initially, you can use free services, and you can do a lot with these. For one, you can generate course content. It gets fairly easy with AI. In fact, you can use different tools to see their results. You can generate quizzes and assessments through AI. If you have data about student learnings, you can use AI to personalize the learning experience of each student. AI can analyze student performance and recommend needed learning resources. If your course is for a global audience, then you will have students that speak different languages. Automated language translation is available as an AI tool and can help you a great deal. Your course will be accessible to a larger audience, and you can get more students. Think of an online course without AI being there to help. Your content will reach a limited number of students, but with automated language translation, your outreach increases many times. Fourth use is freelance coding with AI. My fourth and a very important tip is for the coding professionals. So, I will give you some tips about how natural language processing, or NLP, can streamline coding tasks and assist with code documentation and issue resolution. One area where NLP shines is in simplifying the often time-consuming process of code documentation. Instead of spending hours writing documentation manually, now you use software built on NLP. This technology can automatically generate documentation based on either comment within the code or a description of the code provided in natural language. It's a real time saver and ensures that your code is well documented without the extra effort. Then you can earn money from this code. Nowadays, it's very easy. In addition to this, AI applications are being used for research purposes. As a programmer, you often encounter issues in your projects that require hunting for specific code snippets or libraries to resolve. With the help of artificial intelligence, you receive suggestions to tackle these problems more efficiently. AI can analyze the context of your code and provide you with solutions and recommendations, making issue resolution a much smoother process. Fifth use of AI is in affiliate marketing. Did you know that AI can also help you with affiliate marketing? Yes, it can, and today this is my fifth tip to you. Consider this scenario. You own a travel blog and collaborate with travel agencies to market their services to your followers. The best thing: on each sale you bring in, you receive a commission. However, things are getting even better right here. Web administrators and travel bloggers can up their affiliate marketing game to a whole new level with the aid of AI. AI can help with a variety of duties like coming up with content ideas, getting affiliate links, writing product evaluations, interacting with consumers, and much more. It is like having a superhuman helper who supports your success in the affiliate marketing industry. The benefits of using AI for affiliate marketing are immense. You can save a lot of time and effort if you decide to invest in AI. It can also help you with data analysis and content development, which otherwise can be very demanding. You can optimize your advertising campaigns in real time. In the world of affiliate marketing, where competition is fierce, using AI is like having a secret weapon. This allows you to work smarter and increases your earning potential. My sixth recommendation is using AI in e-commerce. My sixth tip is boosting the use of AI in e-commerce. In today's world, especially after COVID-19, online shopping has become the norm in nearly every sector. It's a prime opportunity to harness the power of machine learning and take advantage of the growing e-commerce industry. According to Statista.com, revenue in the e-commerce market is expected to reach $3.4 trillion in 2023. That's a huge market, and of course you can have your share of it. AI is already contributing a great deal to e-commerce. Right from designing and working of e-platforms to understanding consumer behavior, AI is very much there. So, you can also use AI for these tasks. Build your own platform or sell your products better by using AI. AI can help you a great deal in personalizing the shopping experience. Imagine having a platform that not only recognizes customer preferences but anticipates their needs and offers them tailored recommendations. This level of personalization can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and boost revenue. If you're in the e-commerce space and haven't explored the potential of AI and machine learning, now is the time to do so. It can truly be a game changer for your business. Selling digital artwork. It is the seventh tip of using AI for making money. No matter where you look, there is art everywhere. Whether it's on your spiral notebook or the cover of your laptop, there is some kind of art everywhere. You can produce a number of artworks using AI techniques, and you can work with other brands to sell your creations. Getting a brand on board will be another challenge, but if the quality of your art piece is good, then you should not have much problem. You can sell them to home decor companies that would love to buy quality artwork. Furniture companies are other clients that would like to receive catchy designs for furniture. You can target stationery companies or even sell it yourself on Amazon or Etsy. Selling it yourself will have the advantage of dealing directly with the customer. So, you also avoid the middleman and keep all your profits. After all, size of digital artwork market size is currently estimated at $4.09 billion, and it is expected to reach $12.12 billion in 2030. With AI, you can produce incredible art from straightforward inputs. Canva is a graphic design platform where you may enter ideas and try to produce the artwork you need. GAN Breeder, Magenta, and Processing are other platforms that you can easily use. You can also consider writing and marketing comic books because everyone enjoys them. Research shows that not only kids, but many adults like them, and they have illustrations that you can provide. Popularity of animations has also made a fan club of its own. So, considering all the possibilities out there, you can try any of these options. App development. The eighth one is using AI for making money in app development. When developing apps, artificial intelligence can be your best friend. From the technical aspects to the interactive design of the app, all can be easily sorted out because of AI. Platforms like Builder AI focus on putting the entire app development together and producing superior results. Mobile apps with AI capabilities typically do tasks more quickly than people can. Artificial intelligence helps businesses run more efficiently by handling tasks like data processing, customer service, and managing workflows. If you choose Builder.ai, then you get many options as products and solutions for businesses. You get to choose your base, and you can customize it by adding features. You can estimate your build timeline, and the shorter it is, the pricier it will be for you. One good feature here is that you get a build card which gives you full breakdown of the features you selected. You also get a project expert, and you have the amazing option of reviewing work progress till the time of app release. I just explained one of the options to you. As someone interested in app development, you can try geekflare.com for more options. Conclusion. So, this was the 8-tip guide on using AI for earning money online. I am 100% sure that if you follow these tips, you can earn a lot of money. Simply follow each tip and give it proper time. After all, this is your time to earn money while sitting in your home. Stay tuned for my next video.